In this video, you'll learn how to create an online juice selling website using WordPress. By following these steps, you will have a fully functional website ready to showcase and sell your juice products. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for wordpress.com. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites and click on it. This will take you to the site's dashboard where you can manage your website. Next, find the button that says Create with AI. This option is typically prominently displayed on the dashboard. Clicking this button will initiate the process of setting up your new website using artificial intelligence, which will help streamline your design and content creation. After that, you will see a screen prompting you to click on Laying the Foundations. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for your website structure. Once you click this, the AI will begin preparing the necessary components for your site. At this point, you may need to wait for the AI to load. A loading indicator will usually appear, showing the progress of the setup process. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the current server load. Once the loading is complete, a message will appear stating, "Make a website as unique as you." This message confirms that the AI is ready to assist you in customizing your website. You will now enter the step where you define your website's purpose. Type in "Create an online juice selling website" in the provided text field. This input is essential as it informs the AI of your specific needs. After entering your text, look for the Enter button and click it to proceed. Following this, you will receive a message indicating that WordPress.com can create an online juice selling website. This confirmation reassures you that the platform is equipped to meet your requirements. Then type in the choice given above to proceed with the setup. This step typically involves selecting a predefined option that aligns with your website's theme. Click Enter once you've made your selection to continue. Next, you will see a prompt asking what your website should be called. This title will be displayed in the Browser tab. Enter a suitable name that reflects your juice business, and then click Enter to save your input. You will then be prompted to type in the name of your site again, ensuring that your title is correctly set. After entering the name, click Enter once more to confirm your choice. The next step will ask for a short tagline or description that should appear in search results and social previews. This description should succinctly convey what your juice business offers. Enter your tagline and press Enter to proceed. After entering the tagline, click on Enter again to finalize this part of the setup process. This ensures that all your information is correctly captured before moving to the next step. Now click on Create My Site. This action will initiate the creation of your website based on the inputs you've provided. It may take a moment for the system to process your request. You will then see a message saying, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is actively working on setting up your website. Be patient as this process can take some time depending on various factors. At this stage, you will need to wait for the system to generate your website. A progress indicator may be displayed showing that the creation process is underway. This step can take a while, so ensure that your internet connection remains stable. Finally, as the process completes, you will receive a message indicating that your website has been successfully created. You are now ready to customize and manage your online juice selling website according to your preferences. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next UA.